Hey guys, welcome. My name is Shubhag. Welcome back to my channel. Are you someone who keeps telling that I don't have time, man? I can't make time for my exercise. I have a lot of job to do. Like my job is very stressful. I don't get time, and once I come back from my job, I'm very tired. Are you one of those? Let me tell you one good thing today. I deal with such clients on a daily basis. And the first thing that they tell me, ironically, is that they don't have time to exercise. Or if they start, maybe 1 month they stick to the program of working out and then they feel demotivated or bored and then they stop. This might be your case as well. Let me give you a few analogies that will help you understand yourself and where you are thinking wrong. Let's consider you are bored or you don't have time. But when I sit with my clients and try to analyze their day, we figure out that they are wasting up to 3 hours of their precious time doing unwanted, useless things which will not add any value to their life. Can be Netflixing, can be social media, can be talking with friends, or anything which is not being productive. Apart from the time that they keep for watching videos and all of that, they are spending extra 3 hours. All it takes is 30 minutes for you to work out every single day. I want you to sit and analyze your day. What are you doing from morning, the time you get up, to the time that you sleep, and see where is that you're wasting most of your time and can you squeeze in that time. That is number one task for you guys to figure out. How can you make time for exercise? Point number 2. Now it comes to priorities. Okay. Let me give you an analogy. Let's say you tell yourself, you take a commitment that every Saturdays and Sundays from 4 to 5 p.m. I will make sure that I work out. Alright. Now this happens. Some of your friend who has studied with you, who lives in abroad country right now, has come down to Bangalore or maybe wherever you're living and calls you and tells, hey, listen, I've come down, let's meet. Then you tell, dude, today I don't think I can meet because I want to work out from 4 to 5. But then you'll tell, hey, it's okay, come down, only one day, we'll meet. What would you do? I am very sure, from the statistics, I'm very sure that you will cancel your workout to go meet him. Now the same situation, let's take on a Monday or a Wednesday. Okay, you have a meeting with your friend around 4 or 5 in the evening, but somewhere around 3:30, your boss or your colleague comes in and gives you extra work that is pending and it's on a priority basis which has to be completed that evening itself. What would you do in this case? I am very sure you will ring up your friend and tell, hey buddy, listen, today I have a lot of work. I truly can't make it. Let me meet you some other day. Now, what was the change in these two scenarios? The same friend, you're also same, time is also same. What changed? Priorities. Your work is of your priority, whereas your health is not of priority for you. So you are ready to give your life to some company which is just paying you and might throw you the next day, but you're not giving priority to your health, which will worsen as the days go by if you don't take care of it. So I want you to understand these things. Please sit back, watch yourself and see what are you doing with your life, with your health. Once you understand these things is when you will have a strong reason to work out. Right now, you don't have priority. You just want to work out. You just want to look good. But why do you want to look good? Why do you want to work out? That purpose is not there. That is why you're not working out. And people think it's very surface level. I don't feel like working out. That's why I'm not working out. No. It has a deeper meaning to it. And once you figure this out, you will see to it. You will see that your surrounding, that is your work, your relationship, your career, other things are also getting better because you are finding the inner meaning of who you are actually. You are lazy right now, let's admit it. So anyways, these were my 2 points that should help you understand where you're headed and why you are not able to stick to something that you start, or why can't you make time. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If it did help even 1%, and if at least 10 people of you watch the whole video, because I'm sure a lot of people thinking it's a long video will not watch it, but that's okay. It's their loss, not mine. I'm giving out free content to help you people whoever are watching right now. So if you felt that this video was helpful, then please share it with your friends and hit that subscribe button. It will help me. It motivates me to do more videos like this, share all the information, the knowledge that I read on a daily basis to share it with you guys. Thank you so much. Until next time, see you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.